Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the problem here is we have some exhaust fumes built up on the paint. You can kind of see that. So regular wax, you put it on here, does nothing. Does nothing. But you put some of this, Kaboom with OxyClean. I mean, this shit is black right now. Look at that. You put some of this Kaboom on here, on the little part of the rack. Keep in mind, we're all working on a Lamborghini. We barely touched the surface. Look at that. Barely even touched this shit. Crazy. Crazy. Kaboom, baby. Kaboom that shit. I want a clean business, so luckily I know how that shit be doing in the bathrooms. So I was like, you know what? It's probably gonna work here too. And it did. Dope as fuck.